This station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for Central Chambers County until 12:30 a.m. At 12 o'clock a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Bolivar Peninsula, or 19 miles southeast of Beach City, and moving northwest at 30 miles per hour. Again, a tornado warning for Central Chambers County until 12:30 a.m. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System.